Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel and I hope you are doing well. In this tutorial video, I'm gonna show you that how to make the real estate logo design. So let's start the video, and if you are new on my channel then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Hold shift and alt key to make it bigger. And here I choose the font Trajan Pro Bold. And we make the H little bit bigger. And here I just make the copy of the S letter by offset path. And then select all of these and hold Alt key to delete from the shape with the help of the shaper tool. And then we make the house shape. Press Ctrl Z for undo. And here I just use the stroke. Go to the properties and increase the stroke up to the 21 or 22. And then hold shift and alt key to make it bigger manually, and here I make an ellipse. Press Ctrl plus for zoom in. Press Ctrl C to copy this shape and press Ctrl F to paste in front, then rotate it. And then hold Alt key to delete from the shape by using the shaper tool. Press Ctrl minus for zoom out. Select these points by holding the shift key, and then with the help of the quick selection tool rotate these points. Go to the path and then outline stroke. Select all of these and then hold Alt key to delete from the shape by using the shaper tool. And then we write a title, hold shift and alt key to make it bigger. And here I choose the font Trajan Pro. And just make it little bit small. Hold shift and alt key to make it bigger, and then here I choose the font Figura. Just make it little bit bigger by holding the shift and alt key manually. Then we make the ellipse by holding the Shift and Alt key manually. Hold Alt key and drag it to make a copy, and then I'll write the letter R. Select this and make it bigger. At the end, we give the golden color to it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification for my upcoming videos, as well as follow me on Instagram, TikTok and Facebook, and I will be right back with another amazing video, and I hope that you will enjoy this video. Comment your thoughts and questions below.